Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Vanny from Five Nights at Freddy's. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Let's start off by drawing the eyes. On the right, draw a curve up. And then connect it at the bottom. Now let's do the same thing on the left side. Next, inside each eye, let's draw a border at the top. Next, inside each eye, draw a small circle. Then under it, draw a black circle. Next, let's add some eyelashes to the eyes. Draw 3 curves on the outside top of each eye. Next, let's draw the eyebrows with a rounded triangle shape above each eye. Let's draw the nose next. Draw a rounded triangle underneath between the eyes. And then color it in black. Next, underneath the center of the nose, draw a curve out to the left. And then another one out to the right. Now underneath, let's draw a square. And then a line down the center. Next, draw a large curve for the mouth. And then color it in black. Let's draw the shape of the face next. Start next to the eye and draw a curve down on either side for the cheeks. And now connect them with a curve at the top for the top of the head. And then close off the head at the bottom with another curve around the mouth. Next, let's draw the whiskers. Starting on the right side, underneath the eye, draw a curve out, curve it back down, out, and then back up like this. Now let's add another whisker underneath. And now let's do the same thing on the left side. Lastly, for the face, let's draw the stitches. Starting from the top of the head, let's draw a curve down to the left and then back over to the right and down. And then add some lines across for the stitches. Let's draw the ears next. Starting above the head, let's draw 2 curves down. And then from the top, draw curves outwards. And now on each side, curve it down. And then curve it back up with an S curve. And then underneath this curve, curve it back down to the head. Next, inside the bottom section, let's draw 2 curves. And then draw some stitches across these lines. Now let's draw a few more stitches on the ear. On the top of the left ear, draw a curve down along the right side here. And then draw some stitches on top. And then on the right side, another long line down, and then some stitches. And then let's add one more line across the top here. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body next. Start with the neck with 2 curves down. Now let's draw the bow. Underneath, let's draw a rounded square. And now curve up on either side. Now from the bottom corners of the square, draw a diagonal down and curve it up. And then the same on the right. And now connect the sides of the bow with a curve. Now inside each side of the bow, let's draw some hooked lines. Next for the bow, let's add the ribbon hanging down. Draw a curved rectangle down on the left. And then a longer one on the right. Next, let's draw her torso. Underneath the bow, on either side, draw a curve down. And now from the side, let's angle it down. Now from the side of the body, let's curve it down, out, and then back in like this. And let's do the same thing for the right hip. Next, in the center between the hips, let's draw a curved V shape. And then underneath, an angle down. And then the same thing on the right. Now from the outside, we're going to curve it out and then angle it back in slightly. And the same thing on the right. And now for the inside, we're going to do the same thing. Curve it in, out, and back in. And on the right as well. Let's draw the feet next. From the inside, draw a curve down and curve it in. And on the right, the same thing. Down and curve it in. Next at the bottom, draw a line down and then curve it outwards. Now curve it up and back in, kind of like a square that's open. And the same thing on the right. And now let's draw 2 more of these rounded square shapes on either foot. And lastly, to close off the foot, draw an angled line at the top. And that's it for the shape of the body. Let's draw the arms next, starting with the right side. On the right side of the bow, let's draw a curve down, curve it in, a little bit out, and back down. And then the same thing for the inside of the arm. Now from the inside line, draw a curve down, and back up for the thumb. And now curve it out to the right, and then a curve on top for the finger. Now draw the top of the hand to finish it off. Let's draw the left arm now holding the knife. Start on the left side of the bow and draw an angled line down, and then one more under it. And now 2 more angles outwards. Now at the top, let's draw the thumb on an angle. And now draw an angled rectangle overlapping the thumb here. Next, let's draw 4 fingers along the outside. And lastly, one more line on the right to close off the hand here. Next, let's erase the knife lines inside all the fingers. And lastly, for the knife, let's draw the blade. Start from the top left and draw an angled line up. And then curve it back down. And lastly, for the drawing, let's add some stitch lines on the body. Draw a curve on the left forearm. And then some stitch lines. And then another one on the upper right arm. And one on the right wrist. Now let's start on the chest and draw a wavy line down and over to the right. And now let's add a patch on the left hip. And then a curve across the top of the left leg. Now from the right hip, we're going to draw a curve over, down, over, and back over to the right. And lastly, one more on the bottom right leg. And that's it for Vanny. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!